Why, I hear you ask? Why? What? Well, why have we had a name change? Well, quite simple really. Look at the name. It's now Ham Radio Reality. And the reason why I've done it is I got a little bit fed up of watching stuff on YouTube and it being a setup, basically. And I watched one only the other night. Let's have a look how CB's doing in my area. Let's get this little handheld CB that I bought and let's have a go with it. And I've actually got a contact. And then they admitted it was a setup. And the number of times I've watched this, or we've got it out of the box and we're saying, let's see how far I can transmit with it. Well, let's see how far you can receive with it as well, because the front end is just as important as how much power you're putting out, and how much power you're putting out, it doesn't really. It's if you're putting 8 watts out, you're putting 8 watts out. It's going to do the same for the receiver, but on the front end, what's really going on with that? And you'll notice that with 1 or 2 of my videos. So for that reason, we're looking at the reality of it, not a setup. So, and a lot of this videoing was meant for Eastlands Club members, and then we've gone on to LADAR as well. Hopefully you're getting something out of it, and the Brickworks. And yes, some of it exploded, the PMR people. That were quite nice that was taken on with Ben and what have you. Very enjoyable to do. I hope to do a little bit more of that soon. But then I still get frustrated when I see people say, let's use SSTV, let's have a go with that. Oh, how wonderful, we've got stuff back. Let's use 4 meters. Let's see how many people. There's loads of people on 4 meters. No, there isn't. And for that reason, let's have a bit of reality about it. And that's the reason why I've changed my name, is because that's what I wanted to portray. I don't want to portray something that's false. I want to portray the reality of it. So this is reality for ham radio, and that is why. Thank you very much. This is Ham Radio Reality G6PNH. Until next time, 73s.